Hello friends, greetings from Global Federation of Entrepreneurs. Myself Neerav Sinha, Senior Manager at Global Federation of Entrepreneurs, and here I am looking after strategy, business development and corporate communications. As we are all aware, many countries are posing challenges for business and many more things during this crucial time, that is COVID-19. So I would like to present certain points and kind suggestion, and want to highlight various aspects of Global Federation of Entrepreneurs and Impacts Expert, that is World of Import Export, which is a part of GFE, to all business communities across the globe. Global Federation of Entrepreneurs and Impact Experts World of Import Export is the world's fastest growing organization and India's largest business network, which provide business training, support to business community so that many organizations acquire knowledge and get in different fields like trade, sports, industrial relationship, business networking, etc. So an ISO 9001-2015 certified organization, GFE is a premier not-for-profit privately funded non-government organization which serves as the key licensing body representing the views of importers, exporters across the globe and enterprises having productive business interest in their respective countries. Being awarded as Best EXIM and Business Training Leadership Organization for last 3 years, GFE Group have a presence in more than 50 cities in India, also in 20 plus countries, with 20,000 industry owners, business professionals, importers and exporters trained. Global Federation of Entrepreneurs has the largest network of farmers, traders, suppliers from many different industries of various sectors globally. GFE Group provides a platform wherein organizations can explore according to their area of expertise, interest, expectations, planning, as it conducts more than 50 business events, direct buyer-seller meets, conferences, summits every month internationally. We proudly announce that more than 500 industry experts from various sectors are associated with this organization globally for achieving the milestone of making 1 lakh exporters and entrepreneurs by 2022 on a single board, which serves as the key licensing body which represent the views and deals of business and enterprises having business interests in their respective countries. GFE promotes and fulfills the interest and expectation of its members' business while cooperatively working to establish an environment and economic climate for success in the business community globally. The GFE provides a platform for profitable interaction between business communities of different countries to enhance trade and commerce. Being a transnational body, the vision and mission of GFE Group is to facilitate and foster economic growth for many business professionals in the relevant sectors globally. GFE Groups helps in growth of the business communities for the development and deals of import-export, corporate or private investment, increase in public-private dialogue, trade facilitation, etc. GFE along with its different wings is also active in providing business networking and branding platform for its members through organizing national, international trade conferences, business seminars, workshops, live training program for importer and exporters, trade fairs, exhibitions, virtual forum, import-export magazine, e-directory. This all contains details of buyer and seller globally, buyer's contact details and productive deals. I repeat, productive deals and buyer-seller contacts for their business and offers various platforms like award felicitation program, MOU partners, national international chapter offices, country representative, committee for trade and commerce to exchange their ideas and share experiences for productive business deals and product exposure. GFE having a presence in many countries across the globe liaises with their trade bodies and interested import-export organizations to earn and promote their products and deals with our members' interest. So with this, I would like to conclude assuring best product services to all industries, business professionals and entrepreneurs globally. For any discussion, you can connect me on the given number on screen. So come join, I welcome you all, be a part of GFE Group, World of Import Export for the better business growth and opportunities. My best wishes to all the business communities for their future business endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.